Meaning of here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that something is starting or about to begin. It is often used to express excitement or anticipation. The phrase can be used in various contexts, from starting a new project, taking a trip, or embarking on a new journey. It can also be used sarcastically to indicate frustration or annoyance with having to start something anew. Regardless of the context, here we go is a versatile phrase that can convey both positive and negative emotions depending on the situation.